and welcome to my new channel where I will be showing you my journey on breaking the 9-to-5 cycle. The purpose of this channel is to show people different ways of making money online, trying them out myself and showing you guys step by step exactly how to do them, as well as trying to see if they work for me and showing you guys if they work or not. Unlike other channels out there who tell you they made $10,000 last month only to spend 10 minutes telling you guys about how you could possibly do it too, and then show you examples of other people who have made that kind of money, I'm going to be showing you guys everything from ground zero. Each week I'll be filming videos showing you guys the different businesses that I'm currently working on, showing you guys step by step exactly what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and showing you guys exactly how I plan to scale that business up. I'm going to be showing you guys weekly updates on how the businesses are doing in real time and show you guys the actual numbers of what I'm really making. No BS, no lying about my numbers, just full honesty. I want people to actually get value from my videos and be able to take home something from it that they can implement themselves and be able to copy me along the way. I don't care if you copy everything that I'm doing and make it your own. That's the whole point of this channel, is to be able to help show people exactly what I'm doing so that they can do it themselves. My goal is that by the end of this, I can make a full-time income for myself and be able to break the 9-to-5, as well as show other people how to do the same. On this page, I'm going to be going over a lot of different subjects, from AI tools, faceless YouTube and social media pages, e-commerce, content clipping. So I'm going to be making videos that are subject related, but I'm also going to be showing updates on exactly what business models I'm working on and show you guys updates as I go. I'm going to be showing you guys where I'm succeeding, but I'm also going to be showing you guys all my failures along the way as well. The reason for that is I would rather you learn from my failures than you end up making those same mistakes yourself. I've started multiple businesses and I've failed many times, and I've learned from those mistakes every single time. So I'd rather save you some time and some headache along the way just by telling you exactly where I went wrong to try and prevent it. My goal is for you to be able to follow along with what I'm doing, copy my exact strategy, and create a life of independence for yourself the same way that I'm doing for me. So if you're tired of watching other content creators tell you how you can get rich online, and meanwhile you're stuck in the same place you were last year, hit that follow button, turn on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I post a new video, and just follow along with the journey. I promise you're going to get a lot of value out of my videos, because that's all I'm trying to produce, is nothing but valuable content. A little bit of background on me. I'm a 29-year-old content creator from a small town in California. I've worked numerous jobs over the last 11 years and don't really have much to show for it. I'm making $20 an hour right now, which is about as much as somebody who works at McDonald's. My job has no benefits, no health coverage, no vacation time, and I spend every day feeling overworked and unappreciated by the people I work for. I have 2 children, 1 5-year-old, and recently my girlfriend and I just had our second child. I'm currently on paternity leave to bond with my new son, as well as help my girlfriend out with all the stresses that come with having a child. I did actually attend college for 3 years, but I jumped around with my major a lot, and when my financial aid finally ran out, I didn't have enough credits to graduate. When I was at college though, my main focus was business. I took a lot of different classes in different business subjects, so I do have a little bit of background in business, and that's kind of what sparked the whole thing for me to be able to open my own business. As I said before, my main goal for this channel is to be able to break the 9-to-5 and be able to quit my job. It's not that I just hate working or that I'm lazy. I've worked really hard at all the jobs that I've worked over the years. I've gotten promotions, but even after all of that, I just know that I'm capable of so much more. Over the years, I've attempted to open various different businesses without really knowing what I was doing until recently, when I finally figured out how all this stuff works. But before I actually started doing it myself, I came to the realization that there are a lot of other people out there who were stuck in my position, who had no idea what to do and felt like they had no way out. So I decided to create this channel to document everything from the beginning, with the hopes that I can help more people break the 9-to-5 as well. No gatekeeping, no hiding all the good secrets for myself, just full transparency. I spent hours and hours of my life watching all these gurus telling me that they can make me rich, but at the end of their video, they're just trying to sell a course. I actually even almost jumped on a couple of those courses just because I was tired of failing and I just wanted to know how it was done already. But once you actually figure it out, it makes so much sense, and it's all around us every day. There are hundreds of thousands of people making money online every single day, and we can too. So come along with me while I show you everything I'm doing week by week and show you my actual results. Welcome to Maximize Success, a page for people who want to stop wasting time and actually succeed. Remember to hit the follow button and the bell icon so you can stay notified anytime I post new content, and I'll see you guys on the next one.